After the seventh round race at Belgium, the eighth round of Formula One headed towards Italy at Autodromo Nazionale Monza from 4th to 6th September. The Williams family, after the Italian Grand Prix, announced to step down of the sport after amazing 4 decades in Formula One. The team then will be acquired by Dorilton Capital. These are the results of the qualifying session. Again, the first row was locked by the two Mercedes of Lewis Hamilton and Valtteri Bottas. Carlos Sainz starting on third, Sergio Perez on fourth, Max Verstappen on fifth, Lando Norris on sixth, Daniel Ricciardo on seventh, Lance Stroll on eighth, and Alex Albon starting on ninth place. The two Alpha Tauris of Pierre Gasly on 10th and Daniel Kvyat starting on 11th place, Esteban Ocon on 12th, Charles Leclerc on 13th, and Kimi Raikkonen starting on 14th place. The two Hasses of Kevin Magnussen on 15th and Romain Grosjean starting on 16th place, Sebastian Vettel on 17th, and Antonio Giovinazzi starting on 18th place. The last row was locked by the two Williams of George Russell on 19th and Nicholas Latifi starting on 20th place. At the start of the race, it was a good start for Lewis Hamilton, but it was not at all a good start for Valtteri Bottas as he dropped to 6th place from 2nd place. Carlos Sainz rose to 2nd and Lando Norris climbed to 3rd place. And it was after 2014 British Grand Prix that there were two McLarens in the top 3. During the 6th lap, there was a battle for 17th place between Sebastian Vettel and George Russell, and Sebastian Vettel overtook George Russell. But at turn 1 at the braking zone, Sebastian Vettel went straight away because the brakes were failed on Sebastian Vettel's car as the brake line exploded, and Sebastian Vettel retired from the race. During the 19th lap, Kevin Magnussen stopped his car near the pit lane entry and he retired from the race, and it was the second retirement of the Italian Grand Prix, and the safety car was deployed. During the safety car period, race leader Lewis Hamilton and Antonio Giovinazzi made a pit stop, but when they made the pit stop, the pit lane entry was closed and both of the racers were in a lot of trouble. Lewis Hamilton was given a 10-second stop-go penalty for entering the pit lane when it was closed. Similarly, Antonio Giovinazzi was also given a 10-second stop-go penalty. The pit lane entry was open during the 22nd lap and many racers made a pit stop, and the race order was Lewis Hamilton on first, Sergio Perez on second, and Pierre Gasly on third place. During the 24th lap, the race resumed and Charles Leclerc overtook the Alfa Romeos of Kimi Raikkonen on 5th and Antonio Giovinazzi on 4th place, and he climbed to the 4th place in just one turn. But during the last turn of the same lap, Charles Leclerc went drifting away in the tyre barriers, and that was a very huge accident, and the safety car was deployed. During the 27th lap, the session was red flagged as the tyre barriers which were damaged needed to be repaired, and all the racers came into the pit lane. After nearly half an hour, the race started again, and at the end of the 27th lap, Lewis Hamilton came into the pits, and after his stop, he dropped to the last place. During the 31st lap, Max Verstappen retired from the race as there was a problem of power unit on his car. After Lewis Hamilton dropping down to the last place because of his penalty, Pierre Gasly came into the lead of the race, and there was a very interesting battle between Pierre Gasly and Carlos Sainz for first place. At the end of the 53rd lap, Pierre Gasly won the race and Carlos Sainz just remained 0.415 seconds behind Pierre Gasly. And after this win, Pierre Gasly became the first French racer after 1996 to win a F1 Grand Prix. Lewis Hamilton rose to 7th place after dropping to 17th place as there were some very nice overtakings by him. These are the results of the race. Pierre Gasly winning the race and becoming 109th racer to win a Grand Prix in F1. Carlos Sainz finishing on 2nd, Lance Stroll on 3rd, Lando Norris on 4th, Valtteri Bottas on 5th, Daniel Ricciardo on 6th, and Lewis Hamilton finishing on 7th place. Esteban Ocon finishing on 8th, Daniel Kvyat on 9th, and Sergio Perez finishing on 10th place, with Nicholas Latifi finishing on 11th, Romain Grosjean on 12th, Kimi Raikkonen on 13th, and George Russell finishing on 14th place. Alexander Albon finishing on 15th, and Antonio Giovinazzi finishing on 16th place. And they were DNFs in front of Max Verstappen, Charles Leclerc, Kevin Magnussen, and Sebastian Vettel. Lewis Hamilton also won an extra championship point for the fastest lap of the race. The last time when a racer except Mercedes, Ferrari, and Red Bull team won a race was during the 2013 Australian Grand Prix when Kimi Raikkonen won the race with Lotus F1 team. In all, it was an amazing day for Pierre Gasly as he won the race with Carlos Sainz finishing on 2nd and Lance Stroll finishing on 3rd place.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and do share your suggestions in the comment section.